Like most hobbies, homebrewing requires some gear to get started, and upgrades along the way help to make things a little easier and push your craft further and further. Whether you're looking for a homebrewing gift for yourself or someone you care about, here are 10 holiday gifts to consider in 2020. First up is a gift for beer lovers and new brewers, a 1-gallon beer kit from Brooklyn Brew Shop. There are many brands that make beer kits, but Brooklyn Brew Shop is by far my favorite. In fact, their Goza kit was the first sour beer I ever made, and it helped me fall in love with the hobby. Check out the links in the description for more details. Next up is the Northern Brewer Gigawort. This brew kettle is designed for extract or partial mash brewing, but with the addition of a mesh bag, it can be used to brew all grain recipes using the brew in a bag method. And not only can it be used as an all-in-one brew system, but I like to use mine as a hot liquor tank to hold hot water until I'm ready to use it. This would be a great gift for someone that currently makes their beer on a kitchen stovetop and could help move their brew days outdoors. If you want to go a step further, take a look at the Anvil Foundry. Available in both 6.5 and 10.5 gallon capacities, the Anvil Foundry is a fantastic all-in-one brew system. The advanced features of this thing include a rotating dip tube, ultra low watt density heating coils, and a really nice stainless steel grain basket that is far superior to using a mesh bag. I'd recommend this gift for just about any homebrewer. Just be sure to select the appropriate kettle size to suit their target batch size. Number 4 is the Anvil Bucket Fermenter. I think most homebrewers would agree you can never have too many fermenters, especially stainless beauties like these. Available in 4 and 7.5 gallon capacities, the Anvil Bucket Fermenter would make a great addition to any setup. They're super durable, easy to clean, and in my opinion, look pretty darn cool. If you want to really knock this gift out of the park, check out the Anvil cooling system. This thing is designed to regulate fermentation temperatures to help make even better beer. Simply hook up the temperature controller, drop the included self-priming pump into a bucket of cold water, and the system will recirculate the water through the stainless steel coil to maintain your desired fermentation temperature. And not only does it work with the Anvil Bucket Fermenter, but they also have another model that fits glass carboys. Next up is the Torpedo Keg. While there are many kegs available to homebrewers, I think the Torpedo Keg takes the top spot. They're made from stainless steel and feature a one-piece design that makes them more durable than traditional homebrew kegs and allows them to stack on top of each other with their connections in place. This is a great choice for someone that has a kegerator or someone that's tired of bottling their homebrewed beer. Already stocked up on kegs? Take a look at the Blichmann Quickcarb. Carbonating beer can be fairly time intensive, and sometimes you just don't want to wait. The Blichmann Quickcarb is capable of carbonating a 5-gallon keg of beer in an hour or less. Simply connect one side of the loop to the liquid post, the other side to the gas post, and attach your CO2 source to the carbonation stone. In no time, you'll have perfectly carbonated beer. Plus, the included carbonation stone can also double as an oxygenation stone, which can contribute to healthier fermentations. The next thing that should be on your homebrewing wishlist this year is the Blichmann Therminator. This all stainless plate chiller can really save time at the end of a brew session when boiling soon-to-be beer is chilled to temperatures more suitable for the yeast. This is a great gift for intermediate to advanced brewers that are still using an immersion chiller. Another awesome gift for an intermediate to advanced homebrewer is a sight glass. Aside from just looking super cool, these make it easier to judge the color and clarity of a beer before it's too late to make an adjustment. And if none of these gifts seem right for the brewer in your life, head down to your local homebrew shop and pick up a gift card. With everything going on in the world right now, I bet they could use your support. Check out the links in the description for more information about each of these holiday gift ideas, and if you'd like to see some of this gear in action, check out some of my other videos. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you again soon.